What's up, guys? GD Warrior here. I decided to clean my bike today and I wanted to show you something, products that I use. So I usually use this here, right? It's Pro Honda spray cleaner and polish. I mean, you can spray this stuff on anything, you know, vinyl, plastic, chrome, aluminum, you know, your paint. This shit is like the greatest stuff I've used. If you don't feel like rinsing everything off with water and stuff, you just use this. It takes off everything, bugs and all the crap. And now I wanted to show you something. I tried something else, and I tried this stuff right here. It's also from Pro Honda. It's called Professional or Glare Professional Polish. This is what it does. This is where you can use it on fiberglass, chrome glass. Creates a hard rock protective shield, which is true. You can actually tell just by looking at it, you know, and blocks out corrosion and oxidation. That's also really great. It's actually two applications. The first one is just to clean it, and the second one is actually for your, your paint protection. It's like a wax almost, and look how it looks like. I mean, I don't know if you guys can tell, but this thing is fucking clean. I've never had it that clean before. This stuff is fantastic. You know, I mean, it shines. You know, I almost get blended by this shine right here. I polished the exhaust for a little bit, not much, because it's gonna get wrapped anyways. But it looks good. There's mothers for that. But that Pro Honda glare and polish, I mean, this stuff is ridiculous. I don't know if you can tell. That picture probably doesn't do any justice, but it's amazing. Oh, what I did is I painted my kickstand in red. I don't know if you guys can tell. I painted it with brake caliper paint, and I used some looks really good. It shines. Clear coat is on there as well. It's gorgeous. I was tired of that chrome look, and then what I did as well, I painted my darkhorse in red, so they match finally. So like I said, here are the two products. I can only recommend these. These cans are like $5-6 a can. I buy always like 4 or 5 of them. Then I'm set for almost, you know, with my cleaning, like 6-7 months. And this stuff is a little bit more expensive. It's $20 a bottle, but this is worth it. I mean, this thing is really great. All right, I guess I'm gonna go for a ride. Peace out, GD Warrior.